up are unable to install other
We can hear you.
if you have the setup, you can download the setup from MobiSafe. I showed you the link. I showed you the link uh, for installing. When you go to MobiSafe, it is the first thing. Just the first link for your Zoom class, then that of evening. The next is for WhatsApp group. Then the under the course, you'll find that link for installing the software. Can you see what I'm sharing?
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yep.
So when you are in your program, BBC programming in Oracle, I wonder why it is even about number 7, number 8. It should be at the top there. It's a very wonderful program. So when you scroll under the Oracle course syllabus, this is the link you can use to download 18C Express Edition. 18C Express Edition. I installed the software yesterday on this machine, and for you to be able to do so, if you have succeeded with the downloading, to download you must have a username and a password. You must have a create. You must create an Oracle account. You will create an Oracle account on your using this link. It will show you that you need that Oracle account. So you create one. It doesn't take a lot of minutes. Then you download it. When you download, you sit in a stable network. You can go to moves, there is that Wi-Fi, and you download it. Okay, you can go to the main building if you find that there is no network. Can I use my phone? Yeah, you can use it, but you later you transfer it to the machine. So when you download it, it looks something like, I hope you can see everything I'm sharing. It looks something like this. Oracle, it comes zipped. It comes zipped. So when you get it, when it is zipped, Oracle XE Express Edition 18, blah blah, right click on it. You right click on it and then you go to extract to Oracle XE. Okay, extract the third. Leave alone the extract files, leave alone the extract here, but the third one, extract. So when you extract, they'll bring the information that you are sure you want, or it will just start. Right now, it is for me, it is bringing this because it is already extracted. When you say yes to all, it will extract. After the extraction, you'll be having a file like this, a folder that is looking like this in a normal folder format, in a normal folder format with all the files that you require. It is a big download. It is 1.9 GB or 2 GB. So when you open this, look for this folder. After the unzipping, look for this folder on your machine. When you open it, you'll be looking at all these files. Don't touch any of them. Don't delete any of them. We know some of you love deleting and truncating. Don't delete anything. Just scroll down, come to this Oracle Database 18C Express Edition, or you can just use this setup. Okay, the blue one. Don't go to these files, the configuration files. They are extremely sensitive files. So you can either use this one, or you can use the setup, the blue setup. So when you do this, right click on it and you choose install. Okay, you right click on it and you click install. Or when you go to the blue one, you can right click and say run as administrator. Run as administrator. The computer will prompt you or not, but when it does, you say yes. You say yes. It will be preparing to install. Okay. I don't want to reinstall again because I already have it on my machine. So when you click that install, it will bring that pop-up that do you want to agree? Are you sure? Then you say yes. Then it will bring a pop-up that agree with the terms and conditions. I accept. Choose that accept. Choose the accept. It will bring a screen like this. I took some screenshots. It will bring a screen like this. License agreement. I sure you want to blah blah. If you have a lot of time, you can read through all the terms and conditions of the license. If you don't have time, you can just accept. But if you don't accept, of course, you won't be able to install it. But you just choose accept the terms, then you click next. When you click next, they'll bring this password screen that for you to be able, you need to choose a password. Now, this password you are going to choose, it is the password that we use throughout our life. So ensure that the password you are choosing, you are not going to ask anybody that which password did I use or my password has failed, because we were not there when you are installing the software. So if you don't remember your password, that will be the end of you. Okay, that will be the end of you. So for us who are really too sensitive, we always choose HR as the password. 2 characters, HR, all in small caps. Okay, all in small caps, HR. But you can choose any other password you want. It is your machine. Okay, it is your machine. You can choose whatever you want to use as your password. But ensure you write that password down. Okay, you write that password down. If you are a coward like us who choose HR, you can just go with HR. So this password will be used by these accounts, system and PD. We shall know these accounts later. So when you put in the password and click next, it begins installing. It begins the installation. And they say it can take some few minutes. You see it will take some time. Don't beat it. Don't say, hey, maybe you don't know. I think you leave it, don't touch it. So after some time, about 20 to 30 minutes or 40 minutes, depending on the machine you are installing on, they'll say Oracle database installed successfully. Oracle database installed successfully. And then they give you these kind of details. Okay. You can take a screenshot of this last screen on your machine. You can take a screenshot of this last screen. Okay, you can take this screenshot. Now, after you have installed the software, lucky you are really lucky that you have it installed. Now, after that, you come to all your programs. Can you see the programs? Can you see what I'm sharing? I don't want to leave you behind.
Yes.
Wonderful. So you come to all programs, you look for there is a tool in Oracle. When you are working with this Oracle, we use something we call SQL Plus. We use a tool we call SQL Plus, or sometimes it is called the command line. It's a command line tool. I remember teaching you some of the software aspects when we mentioned that some interfaces are command based. And you thought I was joking. Welcome to the new world. Okay, welcome to this world of commands, where you see on a black screen and everything is command. Nothing like dragging and dropping or using a mouse and keyboard. So this is a command line interface, the SQL Plus, and very soon I'm going to show you how it looks like, how it really looks like. So after the installation, you go to all your programs and you type in SQL. Okay, you type in SQL. That's mine. Let me Did I click Cortana or did I click? Okay, let me just look for it here. Windows 10. Okay. If you are lucky enough, you find it in recently added. If you are using Windows 10, SQL Plus. It is called the SQL Plus. It is here. Or you can just scroll down and you look for Oracle. You look for Oracle. The folder is here. When you scroll through the list, you find, so leave everything. Don't touch any of these. Just go to SQL Plus. When you click on it, it launches like that. It launches like this. It launches like this. So beautiful. You can see SQL Plus release 18 production, gives you the date. The version is 18.4, copyright, blah blah. Right. Then it asks for the username. Enter username. There is a username we have, which is called HR at localhost 1521 slash this Oh my God, what happened to my listener? I need to troubleshoot my listener. It should be showing me that I am successfully connected. All right, let me find some stuff here. Now, we are going to, when you connect to this tool, when you open it for the first time, there are some commands you are going to run. There are some commands you are going to run. And these commands, they are here. I'm going to upload them to Mobusep. I'm going to upload them to Mobusep. And you have a look at them. You run these commands. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 commands for the first time. Okay. Then after that, we shall be only running this command. Okay, we shall be only running this suite command for our classes. So these first commands, they are going to be uploaded to you, and then my software has a problem. Username sysAssistDBA. The password, when they ask for the password, you enter the password you used. Okay, you remember that screen of password. For me, I chose HR. Now, when you're writing the password, it will show nothing. Okay, because Oracle is so much secure, they don't show you that you're typing anything. So you will see nothing, but ensure that it is HR that you type or your password that you type. After typing it, when you click, my God, I have this protocol adapter error. Let me see. Can I recover it in a few minutes? These are some of the challenges we face every day, but they shouldn't scare you. Okay.
Forgot your password.
I didn't forget the password. I didn't forget the password. It is just this DNS adapter error. Okay. Service kind of stuff. I need to start.
The software has forgotten you.
No. Somebody is saying, I remember the days when I was teaching. And somebody, you get an error and somebody, now we coach it.
Now what's that?
This. There could be some stuff I didn't complete.